The roads subsequently filled with the rainwater, so much so that the National Weather Service issued a flash flood watch through August 9. Multiple cars became trapped on the flooded streets, including a delivery vehicle, but thankfully, this man was there to save them. The truck had been stuck there for hours when Richard Reynolds drove there in his friend's monster truck. Twitter Jason Miles: when he saw the rain moving in, he asked to borrow it in the hopes that he could help anyone stranded in their cars. Twitter Jason Miles: it was a good thing he did, because he was able to pull the vehicle out of the water when tow trucks couldn't. Video player present.